What up, YouTube? Like my boy say, I want to hit you up with this video here to show you how good this thing here works. It works real good. And I even installed my own rinse cycle, as you can see right there, the 3-way valve. And so what I come up with, and it comes all the way over to here, to where when I get ready to rinse my clothes. And then from there, over to the bucket right here. When it goes into the bucket right there, I have a pump right there. And I hit the pump, and it sends it right back through here, on back into the sink. And I also have a strainer down there to catch the lint. So, backing back up, coming back to the washer. She should be stopping in a few minutes. Just wanted to show you some good things about this here. Like I say, washes it good and it do its thing. And I won't have to empty a bucket like I used to. I just pop it and put it back up in there and it do its thing. So I'm gonna take this out so I can get ready to rinse. Should be getting ready to stop here in a minute. Okay. So I'm gonna put some over here on this side here. And see what we got. See what we come up with over here. On this side. Okay. Excuse my recording here. I'm not videographer, whatever you want to call it. Okay. Now let me turn me on a little water. Right quick. Okay. And I'll turn back on this little valve right here. Try it with my other hand. Okay. Now we got some rinse water going on here. Then I can start it. While it's rinsing, it's doing this thing. And let that left for about a minute. Let some of this water out. Let this run and fill up on me. Other than that, I got a good deal here. And this goes out to my girl Diamond, who inspired me to make this video, for having me to buy this machine anyway. All right, I can cut this water off now. Okay, come on back in here. And let this do its thing. And I can take some of these clothes here and put them in this bucket here till I get through. Give me just a second there. Okay. Water not that bad. Put that in there. And then I'm gonna drain this here. Okay. That's a second now. Alright, I'm gonna drain this water here and put me some more fresh water in. And while that's draining out, I'm gonna turn this pump on. It's kind of loud, so bear with me. And so when it do that, it's going right back into the sink. And I also, like I said, I have a strainer right there to catch the lint. And I also have a strainer at the end of the bucket. So that's draining pretty good there. It is kind of loud, but it works good. That's for sure. So we're gonna go back in here. Alright, that's not through draining just yet. And I'll put some fresh water in there. that's that on that. I'm gonna pause this on for a minute. Okay, so I'm back at it again. Now I'm finna put some more water back in here. Turn me back on some water. While that's rinsing over there, this side here is filling back up at the same time. So I'm doing a 2-in-1 thing, so it's working out for the best for me. So I'll let this blend for about say 2 minutes. And it's rinsing at the same time too. So this side here filling back up. And I can start my next load. A little of that. I'm going with some bleach this time because I'm going to do a few white things. And it's spinning and washing at the same time. Man, this is great. This thing here come out just great for me. And thanks to my girl Diamond. Hope she take this here very helpful. And we're gonna see what it is again. I'm gonna have to pause it again. Okay, now I'm back in on the rinse cycle thing again here. Oh, I got to turn this valve on. All right. Get a little draining going on here. And let it do this thing for about 2 minutes. Oh, nope, that's not gonna work. Not sitting down in there good enough. Okay. That's a little better there. Alright, well, we're still washing on this side. And that'll conclude my little ordeal here. Thanks for watching and send me a click down below. Peace. I'm out.